You can turn a simple Beehiiv newsletter into a $5,000 a month recurring revenue stream. Here's the exact blueprint. Beehiiv has so many different ways that you can monetize within the platform, such as ads, sponsors, Beehiiv boosts, and so many more. But one of my favorites is a tried and true method of affiliate marketing. Now, the first step to setting up affiliate marketing from within your newsletter is you're going to want to create a post. So I'm going to go through a post here that I've already created in the past, and we're going to take a look at how I've set up some affiliate links, given a description about why the reader should click on the link. This is how easy it is to integrate affiliate marketing with your newsletter post. So for example, my little section here is called Cool Find of the Week, and I'm highlighting Shopify. So what I do is I give a little description about what Shopify is, some of the benefits, and then I have two different places here that they can click on, and it's going to forward them over to my affiliate link. So the word Shopify right here is going to click over to my affiliate link, and also this logo right here, because I want to make sure to put the branding in there so they associate the Shopify with the logo, with the brand. Okay, so not only does Beehiiv allow you to create this newsletter post, so it's going to send an email, your email newsletter, to your subscribers however often you choose, but also what it's going to do is it creates a web version of your newsletter post. So basically, here is an example of what the web version would look like. So if you scroll down, here's kind of my setup here. We have a partnership at the top, then we have a top story, then we get into really kind of the meat and potatoes, really the value and the content here. Then I have some YouTube videos that I direct my users to, and finally, Cool Find of the Week is down here. So this is kind of how it's going to look as far as the layout goes, and you can really customize this to however you like. Two other really quick ways that you can monetize from within the Beehiiv platform is number one, Beehiiv Boost, which basically what that means is you're going to be boosting other newsletters. So when somebody signs up for your newsletter, they're going to see a pop-up. And basically, if they subscribe to any of the other newsletters that you're promoting within Beehiiv, you're going to get commission between $1 to $3 usually for every person that signs up, and that is unlimited. You can just keep earning and earning and earning money. The second way to monetize real quick is going to be ads. So you can actually put ads. Beehiiv is a built-in ad network on the platform itself. You don't have to go anywhere outside of the platform. Built in, and anytime somebody clicks on any one of your ads or follows through, you're going to get a cut of whatever the commission is for that particular ad. So I've earned about $3.40 so far, literally doing nothing. So that is the beauty about these extra monetization strategies from within built-in Beehiiv. I'm going to go more depth in a couple videos in the future, so definitely stay tuned for those. Now, if you watch this video and you're curious, could I start a newsletter myself? The answer is yes. I actually started with I'm not a journalist. I don't know how to do copywriting. I don't know how to write an article. I started from complete scratch, literally January 1st or 2nd of this year, of 2025. So I'm going to leave a link down in the description below if you'd like to sign up for Beehiiv and join Beehiiv. It's totally free. You can have up to about 2,500 subscribers on the free account. The boosts and the ads network does require the next level up, which is the scale plan, but that's like maybe I pay less than $40 a month. It is absolutely worth it. And every month I'm paying for my Beehiiv subscription, doing nothing but monetizing within Beehiiv. I also would love to encourage you to sign up for my free weekly newsletter. It basically teaches you about how to make money online with a full-time job. It gives you all kinds of tips and tricks. And as a thank you for signing up, totally free, I'm going to give you my top 15 affiliate marketing highest paying platforms. So this is a PDF that you can download totally free if you sign up and join the newsletter. And basically what it is it goes down and it shows you the top 15, the highest paying affiliate marketing platforms that you could join and basically make commission. So Beehiiv is optimized for SEO, not only for the emails, but also the web version. So we're going to have a ton of videos for Beehiiv and how to monetize, how to make money, all the different ways that you can dive into Beehiiv and get started, even as a complete beginner. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch this video coming up next that talks about the 7 laziest side hustles for the year 2025.